2, go.
Okay, we're going to Kitchener toe closed. This is a sock I made yesterday. It's got some good contrasting colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to knit the top part of the sock to the other top part with the Kitchener to close the toe up. So first thing I do, this pink yarn is what I'm going to Kitchener the toe close with. This yellow yarn is the tail of my waist yarn. So I can cut that off, get that out of the way. So I start with the mouth on my leg like this. So I'm going to thread my needle. From the inside of the sock, there's the hole in the corner of a heel. So I'm going to come up through that hole. Then I flip the sock over. So this is the hole that I came up from. This is the first pink side that I'm going to put to the green side by going just like that. Pull that through. Now I'm going to go the opposite. This is the stitch that I came out of. So I'm going to go into the back side of this stitch right here and into the stitch right beside it. Trying not to get the waist yarn too. And pull my yarn through. Now I'm going to go back the other way. So this is the stitch that I came out of. So I'm going to take the back side of that into the front side of that stitch. Pull that through. Then I come back over here. And this is the stitch I came out of. Half of that one, half into the next one. So it's 2 pinks on this side. Now it's going to be 2 greens on this side. So the back side of this stitch and into that stitch. Figures. So now I'm coming over here, the back side of that stitch, front side of that stitch. Half of that stitch, half of that stitch. Now to get going here, I can pull this out like this. My waist yarn is starting to get this V into it, so it'll fold in. And now I can go just from the top. I can go from this stitch, half of that stitch, into that stitch. I'm not pulling too tightly, just enough to snug it. These are not the right glasses for this. This yarn is a little bit different too. It's a silk yarn that we have. I just thought I'd try it. So you can see this. It's hard to do with a camera right above it. So it's just from the stitch you came out of into the front of the next stitch. Stitch you came out of into the next one. So I don't press it or steam it or anything beforehand. This is why you want a good contrasting yarn color too, so you can really see what you're doing. Half a stitch, half a stitch. Should say I really like these bent tip needles too. It's nice for getting in there. Of course I have to unthread my needle at least once a sock. Half of that one, half of that one. So this video won't be edited either. It'll be as long as it took, with the knot in there and everything. A little snug here. Sure is going from the back side of one to the front side of the other. So when I get down here close to the end, I'm going to stuff this right down inside. And it just kind of squeezes up together. So now the back side of this one and the front side of this one. You can't see a thing with these glasses. I'll just do a little lock stitch here. This is where my glasses didn't help anything. Yeah, so I'll take and bring this back inside and weave it shut.